What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Cornwell Monday. As you guys see, Mr. Joe's standing right here. So that means his truck is no bueno. So we'll get it over here to Mr. Joe and get him to tell you what's up. Y'all hang in there.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Hey guys, how you doing today? Well, as you see, I'm in here. They take their time to order stuff, and then they find out they gotta wait for an alternator 7 to 10 days when they finally start working on it instead of checking it when I ask. May not be the last time I go there, but that's just the way it went. Had a great weekend. I hope you all did. Everybody won. The Bears won. Wow. They're not my team, but I got a customer that we, razz each other, and so I give them credit. They're winning. We won one. We lost 2 coaches, I think, in 1 day or 2 days. But that's all part of it. So I've only got stuff I'm delivering with me. So we're going to look at Milwaukee. It's a 3/8 heavy duty. We are talking 3rd power, half power, full power. 600 foot-pounds breakaway torque and a little 3/8.
Pretty impressive.
Yep, there's a part number, but I think we got one on the box here too.
2852-20. Okay.
These are some bad boys, I'm telling you. I got the old ones a lot of places, but somebody gets one of these, it's like everybody else needs to get one of these, and that's just the way it goes. Now, OTC Crimper Tools.
Okay.
I got an angle and a straight. The straight one, just like it says, it's straight. But these are thick, heavy duty. They will crimp. They don't bend, flex. You got your crimping, cutting, stripping, all in one tool. Then we got the bent ones. Sometimes the wires are sticking out somewhere. You can't get in here like this,
Right.
but you can get here like this and give you a new finger nuggie.
There you go.
So, like $30, $40. Now, we have talked about Bill's light, but I try not asking him before I get here, but the last couple of weeks he's told me what he wants to do, and we're looking at different lights. So we got to wait for me to get a different light. I got a couple coming in, and we will take a look and see if we can do the smash and bash, only because everybody's waiting for that.
That's right.
I gave all the beer away. The guy thought I was the man. He says I must be after something free, but yeah, I was. So, other than that, Christmas is right around the corner. I got my Santa suit. It's warm. I found that out, so hopefully I won't be sweating too much, because they'll say, Santa, you're sweating. It's like, no, I'm just happy. I hope everybody else has a lot of plans. My kids are coming down, the grandkids. It's going to be a great time.
Yeah.
I'm hoping we get spoiled with some warm weather for that, because right now, it's the same. It's no good. But, so let it be cold now and warm then, and that way all the grandkids will be down and saying, man, we want to go by Papa's more often.
There you go.
I'll make sure they know that. Wish you all a great time, a great year ahead. Trying to think of something, but it's kind of clogged up with everything going on with my truck. But
Hopefully it'll be fixed next
Yep.
week. Maybe.
oh, and I was doing a good deed. I was throwing money away at a thing for a Ripley, Mississippi high school team. I won a shotgun.
Cool.
How good does it get? So I just picked that up on my way here, and it's sweet.
That's awesome.
So other than that, hope your days are all good. Anything you need, just give me a call or text, and we'll get that. Thank you.
Alrighty, guys. And like always, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that thumbs up if you like this video and click that subscribe button. It's totally free, won't cost you a dime. That way you will never miss a good video that we got. You guys have a great one. We'll catch you next time.